Welcome to the video that answers the question, what is the 7th grade Computational Fluency Screener? Revised. The 7th grade Computational Fluency Screener is a diagnostic assessment that is tied to the previous grade level's prerequisite texts for computation. Since this assessment is given to every 7th grade math student at the beginning of the school year, it tests 6th grade computation skills and below, skills that students entering grade 7 should have mastered. This paper and pencil assessment may be given to the whole class at once. It is important to note that there is no time limit for the Computational Fluency Screener. If a student takes much longer than other students, then that rate of speed is worth noting. But don't cut a student off if they are productively engaging with the assessment. On the other hand, don't allow a student to sit frustrated for a lengthy amount of time, unable to answer any items. Use your professional judgment. The 7th grade Computational Fluency Screener takes into account the effects of multiple grade levels worth of instruction and practice in computation in its design. The map on the right-hand side of the screen denotes how 3rd grade TEKS at the bottom of the screen in red lead to 4th grade TEKS in yellow, which lead to 5th grade TEKS in green, and they in turn lead to both 6th and 7th grade mathematics TEKS. Therefore, the Computational Fluency Screener for 7th grade tests multiple grade levels worth of TEKS, as you saw on the previous screen. The 7th grade Computational Fluency Screener is 31 questions long and consists entirely of free response items, such as you see on the left-hand side of the screen. The assessment is linked on the Math Personalized Learning site for you to print, copy, and staple for your classes. This paper-pencil assessment may be given to the whole class at the same time. If a student needs more room to write than is provided, it is acceptable for scratch paper to be utilized. A key that denotes which TEKS the question aligns to is provided on the Math Personalized Learning site. Note that the key not only contains TEKS alignments, but also breaks down which part of the TEKS is tested, such as multiplying a 3-digit number by a 2-digit number for item 17. There will be an updated key each school year in DMAC.